I'm going to let it freak out for a second.
For the long neck, we will need a 1 green long balloon that we blow up with about 3 fingers at the end. For the long neck, we're not really going to do too much. We're just going to give it a little shape. Pinch and twist and let go. That's going to be the head of our long neck. This is going to be the long neck of our long neck, which we're going to pinch and twist. Give that little ear twist that helps hold the neck nice and straight up like that. Give it a couple of legs. A nice little small body. Couple of more legs. And for the same reason, we will add a little ear twist on the back here. Except we don't want the tail facing up, we want it facing out. And then we're going to stretch this a little bit. Little zigzag pattern there will hold the tail more like what a long neck might look like. At this point, you can choose to cut off the crazy boogers hanging out of that long neck's nose. Give him some cool little long neck eyes. He's going to have some very inquisitive, "Ooh, what in the world is going on here today, Mom?" And we're going to give him a smile. Actually, we're going to give him a scream, because that's really fun. Where he goes, "Ah, where have all the plants gone? Where's my mommy? Where are those star leaves?" Anyway, there is our nice little dino.